Hello, Dr. Cranky's here again. We're just about to show you what happens when your headset is loose. So if you come in, remember we do the brake test and we feel if it moves. Alright, when we first do our brakes, and this one you can see it's it's hard to see. You hold your hand and come in close here, you can see that it's moving. So we'll come in. See this? It's moving. Yep, and you can feel it's floppy as you're braking. So on this one here, which is a threadless, let's keep it in here. Alright. The adjustment to tighten it is here, but first you have to loosen these ones off. So you loosen these two bolts off. Yep. And then you tighten this. Whoop. Keep it steady. You tighten this until it's fairly firm, like putting on a jam jar. Yep. That should be tight. And then you tighten these back up. Alright. Just check it. Yes, that feels good. If you over tighten it, it'll be hard to turn. So it turns nice and easily, and it's not rocking back and forward. So double check this one, these two, do them nice and tight. And remember, then we do this one here. Yep. So that one's set, but there's a different type over on that bike there. So here's this other one. It's a different sort of headset. And again, when we put the brakes on, you can feel the whole thing's moving. So if we come in close, you can see that this is a bit different. Yep, so they've got this one. This is the adjusting, this is adjust it, and this is the lock nut. Okay, so what you've got to do is tighten this. Often this one's tight on there, so you have to loosen this top one first with an adjustable wrench, one of these. You have to loosen that top one before you can tighten the bottom one. So you tighten that bottom one and then test it. That feels nice and tight, and then you tighten this top one. Okay. Now sometimes when you tighten the top one, the bottom one moves, so you've got to put the bottom one, hold it, and then you twist the other one as you're doing it, and that's tight. We double check, and it's done. See you at the next one.